Now we need to derive the demand function for u is equal to x plus 2y. Okay, we have already derived the demand function for u is equal to x plus y. Fine. So, and remember this, that P1 by P2, P1 and P2 are the respective price vectors, and for x and y, and income of the consumer is M. So the budget line is P1x plus P2y is equal to M. Okay. So what is the slope of the budget line? What is the slope of the budget line? That is P1 by P2. So how exactly am I getting that? Because P1x plus P2y is equal to M. So you can write it as P2y is equal to M minus P1x. So y is equal to M by P2 minus P1 by P2x. So here this is the y-intercept and this is the slope. So P1 by P2 is the slope. What is the slope of NIC? That is your indifference curve. That is your MRS. That is marginal utility of x upon marginal utility of y, which is del u by del x upon del u by del y. So what is del u by del x in this case? It is 1. What is del u by del y in this case? It is 2. So MRS is 1 by 2. Note that. Note that. Slope of the budget line is the opportunity cost of consuming X, or it is the rate at which market wants to substitute X for Y. Okay, while MRS is the rate at which individual wants to substitute X for Y. Clear? Remember this, okay, that is slope of the budget line. Slope of the budget line is actually your it is the market valuation. Okay, it is the market valuation or objective valuation. Okay, or it is the objective valuation. Okay, while MRS is subjective valuation. Okay, that is, it is individual's own valuation, it is subjective. Okay, this could be changed, MRS could be changed, but slope of the budget line will not change. It is not changed, it is given to you exogenously. Fine. Now what will happen is that you will have to compare it along the three cases. That is, if market wants to substitute X for Y, the rate at which market wants to substitute X for Y is less than the rate at which individual wants to substitute X for Y. So consumer will buy all of X. So he is going to buy all of X. Okay. And what is the budget line in that case? Is going to be P1X plus P2 into 0, because he is not buying any of Y, so it is equal to M. So X would be equal to M by P1, and of course your Y would be equal to 0. Fine. Now, if the rate at which market wants to substitute X for Y is greater than the rate at which individual wants to substitute X for Y, then X becomes an expensive commodity. So Y is a cheaper commodity. So he will buy all of Y. Okay, in that case, budget line would become P1 into 0 because he's not buying anything of X, and P2Y is equal to M. So Y is equal to M by P2, or X is equal to 0. Fine. And if the rate at which market wants to substitute X for Y is equal to the rate at which individual wants to substitute X for Y, so he is indifferent between X and Y, and he will buy anything between 0 to M by P1 of X, and he will buy anything between 0 to M by P2 of Y. Thanks.